Hey beautiful people, today I'm going to show you how I achieved this highly defined and moisturized twist out using the Ancient Egyptian collection from The Mane Choice. This collection is great for the prevention and the repair of damage and split ends, and it's also great for all hair types including relaxed. I'm going to start with the shampoo and then I'm going to move on to the hair mask. Alright y'all, fresh out the shower, freshly washed curls. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put the plastic cap on with the anti-breakage or repair antidote hair mask. So here's the hair mask. Just want to show you how thick it is, how I put it on. And I want to talk about the smell of these products. Is like a light fruity smell. It's really nice and refreshing. I left the hair mask on for 1 hour because I chose not to use heat. Alright, so now I'm going to be using the anti-breakage and repair antidote conditioner. I chose to use the hair mask first and then I used the conditioner after. You can definitely do it in whichever order you would like. Alright, so I'm back now. I washed my hair. Now, as you can see, my hair is in big chunky twists, and I combed through each section with the conditioner in my hair to make styling a little easier later. Now I'm going to use the Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion on damp hair to begin styling. The Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion was definitely my most favorite item in this collection. I was highly impressed with the amount of moisture that it delivered right away. Alright, so going forward, for each section of my hair as I'm twisting, I'm going to use the Cuticle Control Leave-In Lotion first. Then I'm going to follow that up with the anti-breakage and repair antidote oil. After I apply those two, then I'm going to actually add the 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. Then I'll be using the split end treatment serum just on my ends only. 6 of the 7 items in this collection are infused with biotin and vitamins A, B, C, and D. Alright, so this is the 24 karat glistening gold twisting gel. The texture is not very sticky or thick. It's very light and nice. It has a nice smell. And I'm just going to apply that and brush it through. And then I'm going to again follow that up with the split end treatment serum. And of course, I'm using it on the ends only. Alright, so I'm all done with twisting my hair. Just to twist all over. Alright y'all, so I'm back and my twists are all dry. Stay tuned because we're about to take them down. I used the oil while I was styling my hair, but I'm also going to use it again to take down my twist. I definitely loved how shiny, moisturized, and defined my hair was. Alright, so next I'm going to fluff my hair a little bit and I'll be back to show you the final result. Alright y'all, so I'm back. I fluffed out my hair and I'm loving the results. The Ancient Egyptian line was very moisturizing. I'm so happy about the leave-in conditioner. That is my all-time favorite product from this line. I'm completely happy with how shiny and moisturized my hair is. See you all in the next video.